So welcome back to the channel. I did not post on Monday. Reason being, I've been working on this renovation video for the past 3 weeks and it's just been causing me lots of problems. I'm not able to make one video with this because the clips are too large and it doesn't have enough disk space, I guess, which is super inconvenient and frustrating at some points, but I'm getting through it. Bear with me, please. There's going to be 3 parts to this video. I also just wanted to say I wish I'd been videoing a lot more since the start of the project because I missed some of the demolition and it was kind of fun in my opinion, but I'll try and talk you through it as best I can so you're not lost in with what's going on in the videos slash a few of the pictures that I've put in the first parts. So let's get to the video. So as we enter through the back door into the kitchen, you can just see there's not a lot of space to be used there. So we just wanted to knock down the wall, take out the French doors, create a post, and just have more of an open feeling in the room and just eliminate that clutter. Now, after we took out the framing, as you could see, there's a hole in the ceiling. I had to go up into the attic. Luckily enough, I was only up there for 1 day because we made quick work of that. Even though the 2 walls we did knock down were not major supporting walls, we still wanted to put a beam going from the post to the wall just to add that extra support to make sure that things are going to stay solid. So the wall with the ladder on it right now currently is sitting higher than the kitchen wall. So instead of buying tons of sheets of drywall, we just beveled it to be done with it. Just by eliminating those 2 walls, adding a beam, you're already getting the feeling of less clutter. And now it's on to mudding. So my dad mudded for probably 6 days. I want to say he mudded twice a day for sure, sometimes 3 times a day. He is an absolute wizard with mud, and from what this has gone from and what it's going to look like is crazy. So the next few clips are pretty self-explanatory. We're just taking out the flooring in the living room area right up until the bedroom hallway. I'm probably going to put some elevator music on now, so enjoy. So now we move on to the kitchen flooring, and the kitchen flooring is a vinyl flooring that is glued down right onto the plywood beneath it. So, as you can see, we did try to use a heat gun to eliminate as much damage to the plywood under and to the vinyl, just in case we did want to reuse this sometime in the future, but it didn't really work out so well, so we just got on with it and we would deal with the consequences later. And now here we are, dealing with our consequences. We just decided to mix up some floor patch and just give it a little bit of a skim coat to flatten things out so when we lay the flooring, everything goes smoothly. Now, as you can see, I'm just screwing down the floor. I guess this house is a little bit older, so the people who did the construction on this house, they had actually used nails, and there's just quite a few creaks and squeaks in the floors, so I was just eliminating those. And now we're on to the poly. So we're just polying up everything to just eliminate as much dust as possible from getting onto the counters and into unwanted spaces that we just would rather not clean up after. Oh yeah, and next step is sanding. Alright, so after sanding, my dad did go for a shower. While he was in the shower, I was just painting up some trim and whatnot just to kind of finish up the day. So after a good week of a lot of progress being made, I definitely deserve this beer. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is kind of my first time making a video like this, and just let me know if you want to see more videos like this. But for now, I guess this is part 1, and we'll see you back at the next one.